And crash.
Mess with the wrong method.
That was funny, wasn't it? Did you like that, Brody?
Yeah.
Smile, you're on the camera. It's probably about out. They don't like these air currents in the living room. I think it's out. It's all out, Brody. You're out of luck. Go get a refill.
Can you put more water in it?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll put more water in it.
Alright. Yeah, we don't want to try to fly in that room. We might not survive it.
Oh, hey.
It pees on you.
Yeah, you got sprayed by something.
Hey, Huey! Is that water?
Yeah.
Huey! Papa. Papa,
Don't spray the game.
Oh. Don't spray the game.
Hey, that's a PS3 controller.
No, it's not.
Let me try
Okay,
to find
play
out
me.
first of alien.
No, it's not open.
Oh, okay.
Hey, Papa, play me. Papa, play me.
Hold on.
You play me?
You coming out?
Don't play me.
Coco? You like that, Coco? Watch out, bro. They don't let it hit you in the face.
Coco's hitting you.
I know it. Let's fly into the jungle over here. Looks like it's going into Avatar jungle.
Yeah.
This is a pretty cool helicopter for $30, isn't it?
Yeah. Where'd you get it?
On the eBay, probably. Hey, open up the door. See if we can fly through the door.
Okay.
Air currents are rough.
Don't touch it on me.
Yeah, look, you came in to see me.
Put her back. She's getting squirted by the helicopter.
Yeah, bring
It's out of water now.
No, I'm gonna try first.
Come on. You go back outside. You get.
Oh, we almost dropped the whole thing.
Go outside.
How do you
go up.
You know how to go up.
Oh yeah, that's right.
One crash, you're done.
Adam, come on.
Here's come the Green Goblin. The Green Goblin's flying a helicopter.
Come on. Mama, fast forward.
Oh, we need this one.
Fast forward, Mama.
Don't get near us, Brody, Seth. You know you're not supposed to do that. This is a 10-year-old, soon to be 11-year-old flying a helicopter. Hopefully I'm videotaping this.
Looks like you're too high.
What are you doing, Seth? Got the mayor coming off of it, don't it? Don't get below the furniture. It doesn't like being near furniture. You're gonna crash it if you get. You done flying it? Land it on that. Well, don't. Never mind. All right, down. Shut it. Shut it. Shut it down.
I did.
Once it gets near something, I'm gonna see if I can land on that box over there.
Okay. Don't do it on me.
Brody. Brody, watch out, you're going to get hit in the face with it.
Where's Monster Boy's alien?
I don't know. I'm trying to go back.
Well, I see that now.
Boy, it don't like ground effect there.
Oh, Mama. It's an aliens and Indians. Hey, it's the Hollywood Indians.
Oops, almost did it. Okay. They're cool, Brody?
That's good.
Yeah.